Cognitive behavioral therapy is a powerful therapeutic approach that can transform your life. It focuses on changing negative thought patterns, which directly influence emotions and behaviors. CBT offers a practical way to break free from anxiety, depression, and other mental health struggles. It helps you regain control over your thoughts and feelings. At its core, CBT is based on the principle that your thoughts shape your reality. If you think negatively, you feel negatively. Your emotions are often the result of your interpretation of events, not the events themselves. CBT helps you challenge these distorted thoughts and replace them with more realistic ones. One of the unique aspects of CBT is that it's structured and goal. In a typical CBT session, the therapist works with you to identify your negative thought patterns. Once identified, these thoughts are examined and challenged, leading to healthier thinking and behavior. This structured approach helps you focus on your specific issues and track progress. The process of cognitive restructuring is essential in CBT. This involves identifying unhelpful thoughts, like catastrophizing or, for example, thinking I always fail becomes I've had setbacks, but I've succeeded before, and I can try again. This simple shift can change your entire outlook on life. CBT also helps you develop new coping strategies. Instead of avoiding distressing situations, CBT encourages you to face them gradually. This technique, known as exposure, helps you build tolerance to anxiety-inducing situations. By confronting your fears in a controlled manner, you gradually reduce their power over you. Moreover, CBT emphasizes mindfulness. This practice teaches you to stay in the present moment, rather than getting lost in worries about the future or regrets about the past. Mindfulness enables you to observe your thoughts without judgment, helping you detach from negative thinking patterns and reduce stress. Another benefit of CBT is that it's not a lifelong commitment. CBT is typically short-term, often lasting 12 to 20 sessions. The goal is to equip you with the tools to manage your mental health independently. Once you've learned the skills, you can continue to apply them in your daily life, ensuring long-term benefits. The effectiveness of CBT lies in its active participation. Unlike other forms of therapy that focus primarily on talking, CBT requires you to take an active role in changing your behavior. Homework assignments, such as journaling or thought records, help reinforce what you learn in sessions. Through these exercises, you begin to recognize the connections between your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This awareness is the first step in creating lasting change. As you practice CBT techniques, you'll notice a shift in how you respond to challenging situations. In addition to challenging negative thoughts, CBT also encourages self-compassion. People with mental health struggles often have a harsh inner critic. CBT teaches you to treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a friend. This shift in self-talk can significantly improve your emotional well-being. CBT is also highly adaptable. It can be tailored to meet individual needs, whether you're struggling with anxiety, depression, PTSD, or other conditions. The therapy focuses on the unique challenges each person faces and provides personalized strategies for overcoming them. One of the greatest strengths of CBT is its focus on the present and future, rather than the past. While some therapies dive deep into childhood or unresolved trauma, CBT addresses current issues. It teaches you how to handle stress, manage emotions, and make healthier choices moving forward. As you progress through CBT, you will gradually begin to experience improved emotional regulation. Instead of being overwhelmed by negative emotions, you will learn how to process and respond to them. This leads to better decision-making and a greater sense of control over your life. Ultimately, the goal of CBT is to help you gain mastery over your thoughts and behaviors. It's about learning how to challenge irrational thoughts, break unhelpful patterns, and embrace healthier ways of thinking. Through this process, you build resilience and learn how to handle life's challenges with greater ease. CBT is not about eliminating all stress or discomfort. It's about teaching you how to cope with life's difficulties effectively. Everyone faces challenges, but CBT gives you the tools to manage those challenges without feeling overwhelmed. This empowerment is a crucial part of the therapy's success. In conclusion, cognitive behavioral therapy offers a practical, goal-oriented approach to improving mental health. By changing negative thought patterns and developing healthier coping strategies, you can regain control over your emotions and behaviors. CBT empowers you to take charge of your mental well-being, providing long-term benefits that extend far beyond therapy sessions. One of the greatest advantages of cognitive behavioral therapy is that it empowers you to become your own therapist. By learning techniques to challenge and reframe negative thoughts, you gain the ability to apply these skills outside of therapy. This makes CBT a valuable tool for managing mental health in the long term. The knowledge and skills you acquire will help you maintain progress even after completing therapy. As you continue practicing CBT, you begin to notice a shift in how you react to stress and difficult emotions. Instead of becoming overwhelmed, you can recognize when your thoughts are spiraling and take proactive steps to correct them. This newfound awareness gives you control over your emotional responses, which reduces overall distress. One common misconception about CBT is that it's simply about positive thinking. While challenging negative thoughts is a core element of CBT, it's not about replacing them with unrealistic positivity. Instead, the goal is to replace distorted thoughts with more balanced, realistic perspectives. CBT helps you navigate life's challenges with a clear, grounded mindset, which leads to better decision-making and emotional well-being. The therapy is particularly effective in addressing anxiety. Anxiety often arises from irrational fears and catastrophic thinking. CBT helps you confront these irrational thoughts head-on by teaching you to question their validity. You learn to recognize that many fears are exaggerated or unfounded, allowing you to break free from constant worry. Over time, this reduces anxiety levels and helps you approach situations more calmly. CBT is also an effective treatment for depression, as it focuses on breaking the negative thought patterns that contribute to low mood. Depressed individuals often feel like they're stuck in a cycle of hopelessness. CBT provides tools to break that cycle, replacing self-criticism with self-compassion. This shift in mindset enables individuals to feel more capable of managing their emotions and improving their mood. The skills you develop in CBT also extend to your relationships. When you begin to recognize and challenge negative thought patterns, you improve how you perceive and react to others. CBT helps you communicate more effectively by reducing misunderstandings and emotional reactivity. This leads to healthier, more supportive relationships in both personal and professional settings. Another essential component of CBT is the development of problem-solving skills. Life is full of challenges, and having the ability to approach them with clarity and confidence is essential. CBT encourages you to break down problems into manageable steps, which allows you to solve them systematically. This method not only helps reduce stress, but also boosts your self-esteem as you start to see progress. The structured nature of CBT also ensures that progress is measurable and tangible. With each session, you set specific goals and track your progress. This helps you see concrete results, whether it's a reduction in anxiety, an improvement in mood, or healthier coping strategies. The structure provides a sense of accomplishment, motivating you to continue applying CBT techniques. An essential part of CBT is its focus on self-compassion. Many people who struggle with mental health issues are highly self-critical, which only exacerbates their suffering. CBT teaches you to treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during times of struggle. By shifting the focus from self-criticism to self-compassion, you begin to treat yourself with the same empathy and support you would offer a friend. It's important to note that CBT is not about achieving instant perfection. Like any therapeutic process, it requires time, effort, and persistence. You may not see immediate changes, but over time, the consistent application of CBT techniques will help reshape your thinking and behavior. Patience is key to the success of CBT. It's a gradual process of learning and growth. CBT also helps you identify and eliminate unhelpful coping strategies. For example, some people use avoidance as a way to cope with stress or anxiety. While this might provide temporary relief, it ultimately makes the problem worse. CBT encourages you to face your fears and anxieties directly, gradually diminishing their power over you. This process of exposure helps build resilience and emotional strength. Another powerful benefit of CBT is its flexibility. While it is highly structured, CBT can be adapted to fit different situations and needs. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, depression, or relationship issues, CBT offers specific tools to address each challenge. This adaptability makes it an effective treatment for a wide range of mental health conditions. The key to CBT's success lies in its focus on skill building. You're not just talking about your issues, you're actively learning how to change your thinking patterns and behaviors. This skill building aspect empowers you to take control of your mental health, both in and outside of therapy. The more you practice, the more you strengthen your ability to manage life's challenges. One of the most empowering aspects of CBT is that it equips you to become your own mental health advocate. Once you've learned the techniques, you're able to recognize when you're slipping into old patterns and intervene before the negative cycle begins. This self-awareness is incredibly empowering, as it allows you to take proactive steps to maintain your mental health. As you continue your journey with CBT, you will experience a shift in perspective. You'll begin to see challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than as insurmountable obstacles. CBT helps you develop a growth mindset, which fosters resilience, adaptability, and an increased sense of agency over your life. This shift in perspective is not just transformative, it's like the beauty of CBT is that it teaches you to navigate your mind with awareness and intention. You are no longer at the mercy of automatic negative thoughts and feelings. Instead, you become an active participant in your mental health, learning to manage your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors in a way that promotes well-being. By unlocking your mind, you unlock your potential.